Hey, what's up guys, Fonte here. The redesigned version of popular messaging application Facebook Messenger was first announced back in May at the F8 Developer Convention. It is no secret that Messenger has never been RAM or battery friendly. That is one of the big reasons why many people started using third-party wrappers and other alternatives. Facebook promised us they fixed the problem, and they finally delivered. The redesign of the Messenger is now rolling out. The rollout of the new version started today and it will continue for a couple of weeks. The redesign is a server-side change, so all you have to do is just wait. Do you like new Facebook Messenger? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching guys!